What's up, guys? How you doing? Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a good day. Right now, I'm just cleaning my phone right now. Um, Whenever you give someone equipment, if it's used, like I'm doing that right now, I'm giving someone to use equipment. You want to make sure you clean it. Don't give someone something that's dirty. Please do not do that. Make sure you give someone something that's nice and clean, and it's not ugly looking. If that makes sense. Every time someone ever gives you a keyboard or a mouse back, and you can still use it and it still looks new, make sure you clean it. Like I'm cleaning this right now. You see how I'm cleaning it? And then once you clean it, then you can give it to them. Any equipment you have, you want to always clean it because it just looks ugly. You know, it's all about presentation, especially if you work for a hedge fund like I do. It's all about presentation. So make sure you clean it. So now, you have like these smudges or these like pieces of strands of hair and stuff like that. You just spray it down a little bit. So I'll show you what I'm doing over here. I'm just spraying. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. And then just spray some on myself by accident. And then you just take the phone with you, right? There's no one here today but myself. Take the phone with you. It's gonna be for a new hire. I order some phones already. The thing is you know, you wanna save money. You don't wanna, if you have the equipment, then save money. And then you just pop it in. It should come up. It's coming up right now. There we go. Listen, I just configured this phone just now, so you always wanna clean your equipment. Don't be a dirty tech. Does that make sense? Don't be a dirty tech. Make sure you clean it. Or your equipment. You have stuff here that you could use, then use it. Make sure you save money for the company. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great Friday. More videos to come, and I hope you guys have a great day. Look at this outside. It's nice. It's beautiful outside. It's nice today too. All right. Happy Friday. Take care. Peace.